Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the diary, the chapter, the diary of a young girl. And now from here, the actual diary that she has entry, entered, okay, the diary entry she has. So she is writing here. Now see how she writes. Uh, she writes, first of all, day. It is Saturday, then date, 12 June 1942, and then she addressed like dearest Kitty. Kitty, I have already explained that Kitty was the pet name of her cat. Our entire class is quacking, okay, in its boots. Now she is in the class, and this is the first entry, okay, of her diary. Means she could hear the shuffling of the reshuffling of the boot sounds, okay, shoes reshuffling. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Means the whole class was discussing that who will be given promotion or who will not be given promotion, okay. So this was the discussion among the students, okay, in the class, that either they will pass or fail. If they will pass, they will be promoted, okay, in the next class. If you will fail, if they will fail, they will be in the same class. So half the class is making bets, means they are just making bets that I will pass, I will fail, like this, okay. GN and I laugh ourselves. GN is the friend, okay, classmate, and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us, CN and Jax, who have staked their entire holiday savings on their bet. Means they are just betting that if I'll pass or if I'll fail, like this kind of thing. From morning to night, it is you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Means this kind of discussion was going on in the full day, okay, in the school. Even G's, these are the nickname, or she is addressing her classmates like G's and N's and C. Pleading glances and my angry outburst can't calm them down. And she was not very nervous. The narrator was not nervous, okay, and unhappy or nothing. She was just laughing, and she was as usual. If you ask me, there are so many dummies, okay, means not good student, okay, weak students, that about a quarter of the class should be kept back, means they will not be given promotion. But teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth. But nobody can predict about teachers that whom they have passed or whom they have failed. I am not so worried my girlfriends and myself. Means she is talking about her girlfriends. Her friend, some girl was there, the narrator. We will make it. Okay, the only subject I am not sure about is maths. Means she and her friend, okay, uh, was not sure about mathematics. She was very much apprehensive that she may fail in the subject. Anyway, all we can do is wait. So they will have to wait, okay, for the result. Until then, we keep telling each other to lose heart, okay. I get along, and they just keep on just convincing and just advising that please have patience, okay. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Means he was very nice, okay, and very much uh, friendly and frank with all the teachers, and very loving for all the teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Okay, see how the diary actually written. See how she is giving all the details. Mr. Kissing, the old foggy. Foggy means a very orthodox kind of teacher. Okay, very old way of teacher. Very traditional, we can say that, who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. Means one mathematics teacher was there by the name Mr. Kissing, and he was very much unhappy and angry all the time with Anne Frank because of her talkative nature in the class. After several warnings, okay, he assigned me extra homework, and because of narrator's talkative nature, the math teacher assigned her extra work. And what was the extra work? An essay on the subject, a chatterbox. A chatterbox. What can you write about that? Means he was giving very strange and unique topic, okay, for N to write in a form of punishment because he was talking much, very much in the class. A chatterbox, what can you write about that? Means he is asking to the readers. I would worry, or the diary worry about that later. I decided. I jotted down means wrote very quickly the title in my notebook, tucked it in the in it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. And then she became very silent. That evening, after I would finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye, and finally she decided to write on the story or the essay topic, the chatterbox, that she has stuck in the bag, on the, you know, on the bag. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. This was that she was not getting point. Okay, she was running sort of idea about the topic. Anyone could ramble on and leave big space between the words, but the trick was to come up with the convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. She's telling that if I will ask to anyone, they will just give different ideas and different things, but it would be not fine. Okay, it would be very important to give the nice set of ideas and arrange them, okay, in a very argumentative way. I thought, and suddenly I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages, okay. Mr. Casing had assigned me and was satisfied. Means this shows that she was very much punctual, hardworking, and devoted to her. But this was a natural thing that she was not good, okay, in mathematics. So she had accepted this. So she wrote, okay, about chatterbox in 3 pages, and she gave it to the concerned teacher, and the teacher was satisfied. I argued that talking is a students. Now see the content of our uh, essay, the chatterbox. I argued that talking is a student's trait, and that I would do my best to keep it under control, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit, since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there is not much you can do about inherited traits. Now see the explanation. She is talking about her, talkative nature, a trait that it has inherited from her mother, because her mother talks a lot, and that she has inherited, okay, possessed. Mr. Kissing had a good laugh at my arguments, but when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me. But when once again, when she start talking in the class of Mr. Kissing, so this time again, Mr. Kissing gave her assignment, okay, extra assignment in a form of, uh, punishment. He assigned me a second essay. This time it was supposed to be an incorrigible chatterbox. Incorrigible means the person can't be cured. Okay, means uh, uncurable uh, man. Very nonsense. He will not improve himself. So the topic is same, chatterbox. So he is adding an incorrigible chatterbox. I handed it in. Okay, she wrote on the topics and gave it to the teacher. And Mr. Casing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. However, means he stopped talking. Okay, for 2 lessons. However, during the third lesson, he would finally had enough. Okay, and Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled "Quack Quack Quack." This is the sound generally made by duck and ducklings or swan. So this was the kind of unpleasant sound. So she was given this third homework assignment in a form of punishment, and she was supposed to write on this. Quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox. The class roared, means laughed, okay, loudly. I had to laugh too, though I had nearly exhausted my ingenuity on the topic of chatterbox. When she was also laughing, okay, but she was unhappy little bit. It was time to come up with something else, something original. My friend San, who is good at poetry, offered to help me write the essay from beginning to end in verse, and I jumped for joy. Means it was a kind of help that was offered from his friend, from her friend Sen, okay, who was very much good at poetry, and Sen wanted to help her, and because of this idea, she was very much happy. Mr. Casing was trying to play a joke on me with this ridiculous subject, but I would make sure the joke was on him. Means now she has taken this okay very seriously, and telling okay writing in a diary that it was a joke, okay, that Mr. Kissing was playing upon me, but now I am going to turn the table. I finished my poem and it was beautiful. It was about a mother duck. See the content of that essay. Quack, quack, quack. About a mother duck. She did not take help. Okay, she wrote herself. Duck and a father swan with three baby ducklings who were beaten to death by the father because they quacked too much. And this was the content of her essay, and that is very pathetic, miserable, sad, and tragic end of her essay. That there are three ducklings, okay, having a mother of duck and the father of swan. The father swan killed all her ducklings, okay, children, young ones, because they were talking very much, okay, they were very talkative. Luckily, Mr. Kissing, okay, took the joke the right way. He read the poem to the class, adding his own comments, and to several other classes as well. Since then, I have been allowed to talk and have not been assigned any extra homework. Means the essay contains a very significant meanings, okay, for the class and for the teacher, and that's why after that he realized that the girl have really the inherited traits and that can't be improved. Let her talk, okay, let her live the way she wanted. On the contrary, Mr. Kissing always making jokes, okay, these days, and he keep on just making some jokes, but after this he will write in her next in diary entry, and she is writing like yours n, and then she is ending the diary of that very day. Homework assignment you will have to do. Oh, I missed the writing here. You will have to do all the NCERT questions of this chapter. Okay. I have not mentioned, or I don't know how it happened there. Uh, you will write all the NCERT questions of this chapter, the diary of a young girl. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.